Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Here, we discuss the most beloved and best-selling watches and smartwatches in the world. So if you're unsure about which model is right for you, we'll show you all the details of all these watches and smartwatches. The smartwatch we'll be reviewing today is the Huawei GT4 Pro. Remember, if you're interested, we've included a link in the video description for a promotional price on the GT4 Pro. Just click and check it out. Starting with the design, the GT4 Pro features a modern round display with a large and colorful 1.6-inch screen with a super-wide viewing angle and a resolution of 454 by 454 HD AMOLED. It has a user-friendly interface controlled by a side rotation button, designed to make your interaction with all available functions easy and practical. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to sync phone lyrics and control playback and pause on the watch when connected to your mobile phone, offering a high-fidelity audio experience. The GT4 Pro offers a wide range of watch faces available in its gallery, allowing you to customize them according to your preferences for different occasions. If you're into sports, this smartwatch comes with multiple sports modes to provide important information and assistance for various sports activities. It's also IP68 waterproof and dustproof, so you can use it normally in rainy conditions and while washing your hands. This smartwatch is a great help in monitoring your health. It can detect and monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, blood pressure, and sleep patterns, among other features. With voice assistance, you can open and control apps with simple voice commands. Regarding the battery of the GT4 Pro, it has a 300 mAh battery and an algorithm that optimizes battery usage for extended life. In standby mode, it can last up to 30 days on a single charge, and in typical usage scenarios, it can go for 5 to 7 days. This means you can travel without the worry of constantly charging your smartwatch. The charging time is approximately 3 hours, and it uses wireless charging. The GT4 Pro also provides weather information, a calendar, remote camera control, and even a feature to remind you to drink water properly, among other functions. It includes a compass feature, which can be handy for outdoor trips, and the option to keep the watch face always on so you can check the time anytime without issues. For outdoor sports enthusiasts, it has a barometer and measures atmospheric pressure, in addition to GPS, step tracking, steps per minute, calorie burn, and meters per hour. Speaking of style, the GT4 Pro offers 4 different models to choose from: Tarnish Plus Black Belt, Silver Plus Brown Belt, Tarnish Plus Black Silicone Belt, and Silver Plus Gray Silicone Belt. Check out the specs now. If you want to review everything mentioned in this video, simply click the link in the description. There, you can find all the details and the promotional price. I hope the video has been helpful. If it has, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video.